If you're looking to grow your Salesforce skills or earn credentials that stand out on a resume, Trailhead is the place to start. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to log into Salesforce Trailhead in a clear and secure way so you can jump straight into learning with zero confusion. First things first, open any web browser you like: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, whatever you normally use. In the search bar, type Trailhead Salesforce and hit Enter. You'll see several results, but the official Trailhead site is usually at the top. Click that link and it'll take you right to the homepage. Once you land on the Trailhead home screen, look up at the top right corner. You'll see a Login button. Go ahead and click it. If you're brand new to Trailhead, there's also an option to sign up, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on logging in to an existing account. You should now be on the login page with two fields in front of you. The first one is for your email address or username. Type in the one you used when you created your Trailhead account. A lot of people have multiple emails, so double check you're using the correct one to avoid any immediate errors. Next, enter your password in the second field. Be precise. Passwords are case sensitive, and small typos can block you from logging in. If your password includes uppercase letters, symbols, or numbers, make sure everything matches exactly. Once both fields look good, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you'll land right on your Trailhead dashboard. From there, you can jump into modules, earn badges, or explore new learning paths. If you run into any issues, maybe you forgot your password or can't remember the email you signed up with, use the recovery options on the login page. There are links that let you reset your password or retrieve your username with just a few quick steps. And that's all it takes to access Salesforce Trailhead in 2025. Simple, secure, and beginner-friendly. Once you've logged in a few times, the process becomes second nature. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, explore the rest of the Trailhead platform and keep leveling up your skills. Happy trailblazing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.